In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Ghibli-style art profile picture with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a fun and easy way to turn a normal photo into a dreamy anime-inspired profile picture with soft colors, beautiful lighting, and that classic Studio Ghibli look. If you enjoy tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or on your app. Once you're inside, look for the plus button in the message box. This is the option that lets you add files or images. Click on the plus icon and then choose the image you want to transform. For the best result, upload a clear portrait photo where your face is visible and the lighting is good. After the image uploads, go to the text box and type your prompt carefully. You can copy this style of prompt. Convert this image into Studio Ghibli style art. Keep soft lighting, pastel colors, dreamy background, and anime facial features. This prompt tells ChatGPT exactly what kind of look you want, so the image comes out with a soft, animated, magical feel. Once you've typed the prompt, send it and wait while ChatGPT processes the image. It may take a little time, so be patient while it generates the result. After a few moments, you should see your transformed Ghibli-style artwork. If it looks great, you can use it as a profile picture right away. If you want to improve the result, you can try a second prompt with small adjustments, like asking for brighter colors, a cleaner background, or a more detailed anime look. The key is to keep your instructions simple but specific. And that's it. You've now made a Ghibli-style art profile picture with ChatGPT. It's quick, creative, and perfect if you want a unique profile image that stands out. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more AI editing tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.